Gadael Tir is a show that tells the story of land rights and protest in Wales. It follows the trials and tribulations of those who strove to build the nation from the ground up. Through sing-along choruses of traditional songs, heart-wrenching tales of desperation and perseverance, cross-dressing, axe-wielding farmers, radical preachers, land workers and unions, the show squeezes 1,000 years of Welsh history into one performance.
11 bu y cryman bach mewn dwy law iach yn ledu, y meysydd mawr I gyd I lawr, ond ble nawr mae'r rheini. Ynghydd ac angofoll y maint mewn henaint wedi bleini, a'r cryman bach y môn y to yn gwryd o wedi rhydu.
From the laws of Hywel Dda to the enclosures and unrest of the Industrial Revolution, to modern-day battles over water, land and sovereignty, Gadael Tir tells the story of y werin bobl, the common folk, so often forgotten by history. The show documents their struggles with class, servitude and poverty, whilst framing the challenges in the context of current political and social challenges.
Cyn gyrru tranc i'n goror, rhoed I ni hir a denydd condor, byw'n rhydd o fynydd I fôr. Ein dydd mewn gwersyll diddos, yn heulog neu'n helar wanacos, a chael nef eilchwyl yn os. Ond ebrwydd, gelyn dybryd, a ystriw, a ddinistriau'n gwynfyd, llawn o boen, tywyll ein byd.
While researching the show, we set out to find Welsh folk music, poetry and stories that hadn't seen the light of day in centuries. As well as drawing heavily on the folk arts of Wales, the show touches on many themes including politics, human rights, freedom of thought and expression, the right to protest, and the history of British democracy.
Big penderyn awr I hwyl, yng nghedfan dros y bryn, a llawr y carchar mae o nawr, ar fiel ar pob glin. Pwy sy'n gweithio ar pob, pwy sy'n I fedmyg, Cymru'n bwyta bar a si, mi'n dywyll fel y byr,